Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious recipe for chicken livers. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's start by marinating our chicken livers. I already went ahead and washed it up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some of my fresh green seasoning. I have garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, some complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, and sazon. I also have some Chinese sauce for color. So the first thing I did was went in and just combine all of my seasoning so that they can be evenly distributed onto the chicken livers. Then I added it to the chicken livers along with the Chinese sauce and 2 tablespoons of my fresh green seasoning. I went in with my hands, mixed until everything was well combined. Then I covered and allowed it to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Here to a preheated skillet, I will add some oil, then in goes my chicken livers. Give it a toss, and you want to allow it to release all of its moisture. Occasionally, you want to just, go in and mix it. Make sure that it's not sticking or burning at the bottom. As you can see, it has released a lot of moisture. What I like to do is allow that moisture to evaporate. So we'll allow all that liquid to evaporate. Once it evaporates, this is how it should be looking. Next, we will go in with some aromatics. I have here some onion, garlic and ginger, tomatoes, and some bell peppers. We will give it a toss, and then we will follow up with a little bit of tomato sauce. Then I will add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and a pinch of sugar, and we will toss this and allow our aromatics to soften up nicely. And that's it guys. Super simple and easy, but absolutely delicious. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements I use down in my description box for those that are interested in this recipe. And lastly, I added some fresh scallions and parsley. Give it another toss. And now I will plate this up and enjoy. I served this up with some mashed sweet potatoes and a fresh garden salad, and it was excellent. Me and my mom enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.